Alright, here you want to see how you can collect your landmark you have digitized, how to collect them. So we are going to collect that in Excel sheet. So now go to Tools, Export. So export for point here. So now you select here, okay. So you browse your landmark you have digitized. So we have I've done all actually. I've done all now. So I've finished everything. But I want to use 2 as a sample so that it won't be too difficult. 2 as a sample. Alright. These 2, F, this one, and this one. These 2, for example. Alright. So I click on select here. I can load to load. I will load it. You have 2 now. Okay, just to show as a sample. Our database did defaces. Don't forget. If not, you can select from here. Then here, this is the fixed point. We have to do the fixed point first. Don't forget, that's the starting point. Don't forget, click on ID. Then click on export 3D coordinate. Okay. So here you make sure this one is selected for the fixed landmarks, because this ones there are not many. So just click on, if you want row per data set, so that is okay for that. Then you click on export. Okay, can show you that a data set export to Excel. So you click on OK. Now open your Excel, check the data. You can see the data here. This is what you have done. This is a NTS file. You can see it's in the proper order. Okay, see this starting point. Don't mind the order, don't mind the arrangement here, so it doesn't matter. So now this is how it's going to be. This is specimen F001, 002 like that coming down. This is your dimensional data. So the rest will be here. So for the 13. So you need the rest. So you can save the landmark for a fixed landmark, which is a manual landmark, is separate. You can now take the second one separate, which are not the sliding setting landmarks separate. But you can also combine them together for the purpose of a proper. Though normally you are going to use them together because you want to view them together. But for error assessment purpose, you can separate them. So now go back again. No, just leave it like this. Don't worry, you already done that. So just select SL, that's 100. Click on. So now you have to click on this now. But if you click on this one like this, it will give you error. So if I select now, you can see error because it has many columns. So you just click on this guy and click on export. You can see. So go back to Excel again. So you see it here. So what I'm going to do now, this one will transpose this. We are going to transpose this. Alright, we copy this and transpose. Okay, let's copy. Then say copy, Ctrl C, come here, right click, or just open here, say transpose. You can see, transpose it. So we follow the same order of that one. So, but we don't need this. We don't need this. We only need from here to the end. So we copy this one to match together with our previous one. So we now have both landmark together in one file. Ctrl C, I copy. So I come back here. So I paste here. You can see. I paste here. So you can see. So if you have 100 landmarks, 100 subjects, all of them will be here like they line down. So you can see now. So you can see. That is my. This for only for 2 specimens. So you have 10 specimens. That will be here like that. So I'm going to see the sample for the next specimen. So I've done for all. Okay, I've done for all. So this is the data here now. I just show you the data here now. Just done for all. So you can see here. Okay, for all specimen. I did for all specimen. Alright. So I'm going to be using that to analyze later in our next section. Okay, our next part rather. So you can close this. You can close this. we're done with this for now. So I will see you in the next segment of the lecture. Thank you so much for listening.